So I just had to restart my computer, and we seem to be back up and running. We've got the price here at 1.4813, and we've got the bid and ask at 13 and 16. So yep, we are back on live prices, and we can just double check that with the chart. Yeah, we seem to be our ask at 16, which when we go back to MetaTrader, it's at 14. Yep, that's fine. We are at the right place. And as you can see, there is a bit of an anomaly here, a bit of a jump here. There could have been something wrong with MetaTrader at that point. As you can see with our chart here, there is no jump. But that's one thing that is going to happen to you. Sometimes your internet connection may fail, sometimes your computer may freeze, sometimes MetaTrader itself, the software can freeze, and you're going to be in a trade. You're going to be putting your money into a trade. So the best bet is to do what we just did here. We went in through to the broker price, the broker chart, and we made our decisions based off of that, because when you're in a trade, you're in a trade. You got to act on whatever's happening in the market. They don't care about your computer going down. So it's great that we got to actually look at this and actually go through this scenario, because this will happen to you sometimes. Technology is not 100% foolproof. You have to have contingencies in place, and our contingency is looking at our broker price. Now, some of you may like looking at the broker price instead. Well, then great, you don't need to look at MetaTrader, but I find MetaTrader to be easier to draw on anything I want to draw on, and it's a easier chart to look at and analyze. So what we're looking at now is we're looking at pivot lows to form for us to be moving our stop higher and higher. So I'll just pause the video now, and let's just wait to see what GBP USD does now. Okay, so prices are declining. We are coming close to our break-even level, which is our entry level. So if price comes down to 1.4801 here, so if our sell price goes from 04 to 01, we are going to be out at break even, but that doesn't matter, it's a break even is fine. It's not losing any money, so it's a good thing. I think I just heard something happen there, and yes, it's come out of our position, and we can see that it's at 01 here. So in our closed positions, we can see that our profit and loss is 0, because we went in at 1.4801 and we came out at 1.4801, which is fine. So that was a break-even trade there. And now what do? We go out looking for more trades. So that was broker trade number 4. Now if you click over to the next page, I'll take you through another trade with broker execution. This is Kumar, and I'll see you in the next video.